Hello, everyone. My name's Treston. I'm the community manager here at Tuesday, and I'm going to hop on. And Claire is hosting an event for us next week, and we're going to go through a little talk just to give a little insight on what is to come in her event next week. Her event next week is going to be held on Tuesday, May 12th at from 6 to 8 p.m. And her event is growth hacking for entrepreneurs and freelancers. So give it a couple seconds, and hopefully she will be able to join in here with me soon, and then we will move on with the conversation with Claire.
Hi.
Hello, Claire. How are you doing?
Hi, Tristan. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I just introduced you a little bit and just let everyone know that you're going to be hosting your event next Tuesday, and gave them a little
Perfect.
introduction. But yeah,
Perfect. Cool. I hope my internet connection will last.
I'm
And yeah.
awesome. Well, maybe it'd be good if you give everyone kind of an introduction of who you are and what exactly you do, and then we can go on with what is to come with the event next week.
Yes. So first of all, thank you for having me here. My name is Claire. I'm a member of the Tuesday community. I discovered Tuesday in a few months ago when I was so happy before Corona to have a really nice office space in one of the lovely cafes from your who participate in the Tuesday network. And I'm an entrepreneur since September. I quit my job to become a marketing consultant. So this is what I do, and I work with startups and freelancers and other larger companies who need advice on their marketing strategy. And now, since December, I'm also working together with my friend Victoria on our startup. We are building a digital platform for female founders, and we want to support more women to found their own companies. And yeah, we want to have an impact in the European economy and society through our service. So big aim. And so yeah, this is what I'm doing. And I was talking to Tristan what we could do to help the Tuesday community or to bring something good to everyone. And we came up with the idea that it would be cool for anyone who's working as a freelancer or independently, like a lot of people from the Tuesday community, to do a marketing session to help you all get new customers, more leads, etc. And so, yeah, this is
Awesome.
why we're here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think it's a very strange time for everyone, but it's also this topic of growth hacking and getting people more customers and more potential leads is obviously very beneficial because all businesses are going to be handled now through the internet or through the phone. So it's definitely interesting times and great opportunities for people to really dig into things that they've never done before and grow their companies.
Yeah, definitely. I think so too. But yeah, maybe it's also a big chance for everyone. I guess that every company has such a digitalization boost since Corona, and everything which would have taken maybe 5 years is just instantly possible. And suddenly everyone works remotely, and we everyone knows the different conference tools and all the different project management tools that are available online. So maybe it's also a big chance. Although I'm really happy when it's finally over this Corona thing, but yeah, it's always better to stay positive. So I'd say that, yeah, maybe let's try to stick to the positive things or the
Awesome.
positive impact of this crisis.
Yeah, most certainly. Yeah, like you said, I think it's excelled a lot of things and it's going to hopefully change a lot of things and give people maybe more family time or more time for themselves when they can get their work done from home instead of commuting. We're
Hmm.
definitely, I think co-working spaces are going to definitely benefit because people are probably sick of home office but don't also want to go to the office. So it's a great opportunity for people to meet in those different locations as well.
Yeah, definitely. I'm really looking forward to go back to stay to work uh, with other people and meet the ones that I really love working with or drinking coffee. So this will be really exceptional the day when it's finally okay again to go to a co-working space.
Awesome. Awesome. How about we get into it? So can you let me a little bit, can you let me know a little bit what exactly is growth hacking?
Yes, so growth hacking is a really cool method, which is mainly used by startups to really accelerate their leads, to have more sales, and to have more website visitors, etc. And it's not only a buzzword from the startup buzzword, even though it's used a lot. I'm sure everyone has seen also in some job offers the word growth hacking, and at the beginning you think, okay, what's that again? And yeah, it's just someone, a growth hacker is someone who's really comfortable with marketing and digital sales tools. No, other way around, sales and digital marketing tools, and who really combines it and sees the opportunities of digital marketing to drive sales up. And so there are different aims that you can follow with growth hacking. So you can, as I said, increase the leads. For example, you can say we want more newsletter subscribers. So really find ways how to do that. So you just define the aims of your strategy, what you want to reach, and then through growth hacking, or this is called growth hacking, you just check how you can actually reach this goal and get more customers, subscribers, visitors, etc.
Awesome. Awesome. You mentioned it being a big buzzword for in the startup community and entrepreneurs. Is this something only people necessarily use in the startup world, or is this something big corporations also use to try and push different products or projects that they're doing?
I think the word was just born from the startup world, the startup ecosystem, but and I guess that most people who work in marketing positions are called growth hackers in startups. I've not really seen it in big corporates, but they definitely some use the same tools or use the same strategies to reach their goals.
Okay. Okay. Is this something that anyone with marketing experience can do, or is this something that's going to cost people something to get a new platform, or is this, yeah.
No, the cool thing about growth hacking is that it's for free. And this is also, I guess, the reason why it's really adopted by startups, like with the lean startup method, that you say, okay, I really want to have a big output with a small input. So what can I do? And you can do, you can really drive your I mean, drive growth hacking through having a thought through the whole customer journey, um, optimize your channels, optimize your whole communication. There are many things that can be done. Also, search engine optimization, definitely SEO is definitely also one of the growth hacking methods that you can apply. And so that's the cool thing. It really costs nothing. I mean, everyone knows also the sponsored posts and all the yeah the featured content also on for example Google AdWords, etc. But this is not necessarily part of your growth hacking strategy. So um, yeah, you can definitely do it for free and just benefit from the methods. Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. Um, so you mentioned earlier growth hacking being something in the sense of trying to get more leads, get more sales, get more brand awareness. What exactly is then is that the overall aim, or is there any more specifics to it?
So when you look in the how do you call it, in all the books, for example, about growth hacking, they always say they are the main four aims is acquisition, engagement, monetization, and what was the fourth one? um Wait, I think, can I post images here? No, I think only you can do it. Because I had prepared a slide last time on the Instagram live, but it's all about the same. So just increase sales and increase everything that you want to according to your aims and to what you actually want to reach.
Okay, awesome, awesome. Well, I think that's a pretty good general, um, not observation, but a general explanation of what exactly it is. So then I'm kind of curious, like, how exactly are you going to lead the workshop?
So for the workshop, so as I'm an entrepreneur myself, I hate to lose time and I hate to just be into theory. So I thought, how can we have a really short workshop of just 2 hours where every participant gets the most of it? So I thought that every participant could just send a few informations beforehand, like what's the business about and what are the aims that are meant to be reached. Then I would maybe look into all the different businesses, especially if they already have websites and social media channels, etc. And then really dig into it during the workshop. So I would really appreciate if there would be not more than 6 people in every workshop. So um, as I mentioned, at least on the LinkedIn event, there will only be up to 6 people, and if there are more people who subscribe for the event, we will just split it and have 2 events, because I think the smaller the group, the better the interaction is and the benefit for everyone. And I really want everyone to go out of the workshop and think, okay, great, now I have 4 things that I can really do to just boost my marketing strategy and get more leads and more customers, sell more product through my online presence. And I guess now, even more in these Corona times, it's really important to, um, yeah, to work digitally and to have a digital strategy. So this is the aim of the workshop and how we will work.
Awesome, awesome, sounds good. I don't know if there's anything you want to add to that of what key learnings people are going to take away from the workshop, or if you think that's enough information for everyone.
Yeah, I think it's enough information for now, I guess. But if there are more questions, everyone can just reach out, and we communicated the event on Eventbrite and on LinkedIn events and on our both LinkedIn pages, on the Tuesday page as well. So don't hesitate to just check in and ask, yeah, if it's precisely interesting for your business, or I don't know what other questions you may have. But I think that that growth hacking in general is a really good approach, or a different approach to the whole marketing topic, and then it can really um, help anyone who wants to work digitally.
Awesome, sounds great, sounds great.
Cool.
Well, thank you so much for your time this evening and letting everyone know what exactly the workshop's going to be on.
Thank you very much, Tristan, and have a nice evening.
Awesome, same to you. Bye bye, Claire.
Bye.